This is a SATA connector. This is how it should look. This is what I received. See the difference? The tools you'll need are soldering iron and wire strippers, jeweler's screwdriver, wire cutters, toothpick, and heat shrink tubing. The wires are held in by a pin that looks like this. Notice the wings. By using the jeweler's screwdriver, you press the wings in and you're able to push the wires out. Now what I can do is simply make the cable look like the one that I want it to look like. By joining the two ends. But what I'm going to do is make it better. I'm going to piggyback the wires and join them to the white connector. So now I'll have 3 connectors. One will bring in the power and 2 others to supply power to the devices. And this is how we do it. We clip off the ends. We strip the wire. Solder the wire to the back of the connector. Hold it in place with the toothpick until it cools. Our wires are joined together. Use the good cable to make sure the wires are inserted in the proper order. Be sure you gently spread the wings on the metal thing before you reinsert it into the white shell. Slide some heat shrink tubing onto the ends, and this is how it looks when it's done.